ABC Educational Channel.
Today, let's have a speaking practice using a question. What nationality are you? Are you ready? Let's begin. What nationality are you?
I am German and I am from Germany.
What nationality are you?
I am Turkish and I am from Turkey.
What nationality are you?
I am French and I am from France.
What nationality are you?
I am Brazilian and I am from Brazil.
What nationality are you?
I am Chinese and I am from China.
What nationality are you?
I am American and I am from America.
What nationality are you?
I am Canadian and I am from Canada.
What nationality are you?
I am Egyptian and I am from Egypt.
What nationality are you?
I am Japanese and I am from Japan.
What nationality are you?
I am Indian and I am from India.
What nationality are you?
I am Filipino and I am from the Philippines.
What nationality are you?
I am Thai and I am from Thailand.
What nationality are you?
I am Australian and I am from Australia.
What nationality are you?
I am Korean and I am from Korea.
What nationality are you?
I am Mexican and I am from Mexico.
What nationality are you?
I am Indonesian and I am from Indonesia.
What nationality are you?
I am Italian and I am from Italy.
What nationality are you?
I am Vietnamese and I am from Vietnam.
What nationality are you?
I am Colombian and I am from Colombia.
What nationality are you?
I am Indian and I am from India.
What nationality are you?
I am Russian and I am from Russia.
What nationality are you?
I am French and I am from France.
What nationality are you?
I am Swedish and I am from Sweden.
What nationality are you?
I am South African and I am from South Africa.
What nationality are you?
I am Cambodian and I am from Cambodia.